Pagkagat ng June 30, wala ng otoridad ang mga prosecutors o private prosecutors nila, sumaantala ang trial at ihintay na yung pag-resume o pagbubukas ng panibagong kongreso.
Any further delays in commencing the trial against Vice President Duterte would violate the Constitution.
If we cannot conclude the trial before June 30, 2025, we must recognize this impeachment case is functionally dismissed by constitutional operation and no action can be taken by the 20th Congress on the matter for lack of constitutional authority.
Hindi natatapos ang isang impeachment proceeding na nakahain na sa Senado. At ihambing natin ito sa isang kaso sa korte. Once a case is filed with the trial court, the judge may retire, the judge may get promoted, but the case stays on with the trial court.
Sa impeachment rules, kailangan tapusin.
Kailangan ba tapusin?
Kailangan tapusin yung impeachment. Yung Senate rules ang nagsasabi, based on the Constitution, na pag-adjourn sinidi kayo, lahat ng business nyo patay. It's a justiciable issue, pwede dalhin sa Supreme Court.
Dapat pagkatapos basahin ng articles of impeachment, magko-convene na kami sa impeachment court. Therefore, uutusan na ang Senate Secretary na padalan mo na ng summons yung impeached official.
Kung gusto mong magkaroon ng impeachment muli si BP Sara, i-refile mo uli yan. But the Constitution says you cannot file another impeachment case against the same official within a period of 1 year.
Hindi pwedeng nagtuturuan yung House of Representatives and the Senate. Para sa akin, yung impeachment trial at this stage, the convening of the impeachment court and also proceeding with the impeachment trial is not optional.
Impeachment is a political process, not a judicial one. Sangayon po ako sa hindi pagtuloy ng impeachment.
Hindi po pwede yun. It is their constitutional duty to convene themselves into an impeachment court. It's not discretionary on the part of the Senate not to convene the impeachment court because under the Constitution, the moment the Senate receives the impeachment complaint, they should try it forthwith, meaning immediately.
Tanggapin ninyo, talo na ang impeachment. Yun lang yun. Kahit ngayon, kahit sa Hulyo pa, talo na.
I didn't want impeachment.
Bahala na sila dyan.